Hi guys, welcome to this video. I hope you all are well, and today we are going to see a very simple technique regarding contact and calendar migration from specially Zimbra server to carbonioce, and it can be very helpful for you if you are trying to migrate from Zimbra to Carbonio. uh, why I'm saying so, because in migration there can be several methods, but most of the time users face difficulties to migrate their contacts and calendars, as they can be very useful for many of the users to from Zimbra to Carbonio. I am going to show you a very simple technique that you can use for other methods too, if you have the right file format. So just let's take a look at it. I have a Zimbra server and I have a Carbonio server. Let's log in into the Zimbra server. As you can see, this is a fresh server. This is just for the testing. I just created this server and I'm going to test whether I can successfully migrate my contacts and calendars or not. So if I go to the contacts, and there are two contacts, Muhammad Abdullah, Shoikat Mazumdar, and there are some random paste information in their contact, different fields of the contacts. So I have two contacts. If I can migrate them, if there are thousands of contacts, they can be migrated to. And if I go to the calendar, you can see there are 3 calendar events in this week. If we go to the next week, there is 1 calendar event. So this is my old server, or you can this is the Zimbra server. If I go to the Carbonio, let me show you that too. In my Carbonio server, let's go to the contact. As you can see, there are no contacts, as it is a fresh server. I didn't do anything yet here. I just want to show you how I can migrate the contacts and calendars here. So, and let's show you the calendars. This week there is nothing compared to the Zimbra, and also the next week there is nothing. So now what I am going to do, I am going to export, use the import export feature from Zimbra. As a system admin, you are aware of that you can export Zimbra user data using this export feature. Type account, you can use everything. You can use the export feature to export everything, but in this particular case I am going to export contacts and calendars. Let's do the calendar first. Calendars, export calendars. Okay, export. Let's this the important thing for this is I'm exporting this and the format is ICS. This is the most important part. Whether you are going to use this technique with Google or Microsoft or whatever else other platform, your format should have to be ICS for calendar. So I am storing this. Calendar is stored. Now I am going to export contacts. Okay, from contacts, source, contact, contacts. Now I'm going to export, and for contacts the format is CSV. So two important things to keep in mind: for calendar, the format should be ICS, and for context, the format should be CSV. So I am saving them. So just let me drag them here. Text and calendars. So these are the two files. Let me just okay. I'm just renaming it and removing everything else just to make things easy. Okay. I have exported my contacts and calendars from Zimbra. Now I am going to upload these into my Carbonio server. So how I can do that? I can use my any SFTP tool to upload this. Let's Let me see my just open main.sample. So this is my Carbonio server hostname, sample server. I have the user root. Okay, and it is saying that I'm not been able to resolve. So in that case, I'm going to use the IP address of it, 203.161.57.211. 203.161.57.211. Then I'm using the root. Okay, as the password is saved, I logged in without an issue. Now what I am going to do is I'm going to upload these contacts and calendars here. Okay, one thing you may be wondering, that it kind of a manual process, and it has several steps. Carbonio server. Let's log into the Carbonio server. Oh, there are several Carbonio servers here. I have uploaded it in another server. I have to upload it into the right server. Let me take a look at it once more. That one should be 161.97.135.224. I have uploaded it 211. Okay, let's upload it in 224. SFTP 161.97.135.224 root. Okay, I have logged in here, and now I'm going to upload this. File has been uploaded successfully. Let me close this one, and so, and 224. Let's log in. So the IP is 161.97.135.224 and the password is root. The login save. So let's, as you can see, these are the files that I have uploaded from my desktop. Now what I'm going to do is to extras. After choose extras, what I'm going to do, okay, I need to do one thing, that is I have to I'm going to upload them as JExpress user. Therefore I'm going to copy them to the temp directory and change their permissions. Say home extras extras contact, this one, another one that is in the temp directory, contacts, then calendars. Okay, I change the password, their permissions to the extras. Okay, now I'm going to use the curl command, curl minus k minus u. Then I'm going to put the username and the password. What is the user that I am going to upload these contacts and calendars? So in this case my user is Sharif and I have set a password 123456 minus upload file name contact, then https. Now I'm going to use the IP address 161.97. Don't worry, I'm going to explain the command one more time before executing it. 135.224 slash home Sharif. So this is my contact. So what I'm going to do, contact question mark fmt equals to csv. Okay. So what I'm executing is curl a user Sharif upload file, this one, the path. Let's execute it. It has been executed. And now again what I'm going to do is curl a u Sharif 23456 minus upload file then calendar.ics, then https 61.97.135.224 slash home slash Sharif slash calendars. In this case, it is not calendars. Calendar question mark format equals to ICS. And it is uploaded. So let's get back to our Carbonio. Let's refresh this page. As you can see, we have our contacts. These are the contacts. And let's get back to the calendar. Yeah, you can see these are the calendar events. And if we go back to our next week, we have the calendar event. So this is how we can migrate contacts and calendars from Zimbra to Carbonio. This is one way. By the way, Carbonio devs team are working comprehensively to provide you a better way and to migrate your system. So stay tuned with their forum, blog, and their website. Subscribe to their newsletter, and yeah, see you in the next video. And by the way, if you are a Google user, you can use takeout.google.com to export your user data. Among them, you will find your contacts and calendars. If your contacts and calendars are in this particular format like ICS and CSV, then you can export them as well into your Carbonio CE. So that is another information I thought you may find it helpful. That's why I shared it to you. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for your time and patience, and yeah, see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.